the no, that's the top floor, and pala yung ano nila. That's their hot spring, one of their hot spring pool. It is really hot, like no joke hot. Oh, nice. So pagpunta pa lang nyo dito, like they offer canyoneering. So yung binayaran mo na, may life jacket ka na, you can actually trek, and depending on the weather or depending on the conditions sa lugar, they will just advise you to it's okay or if it's not. But the place is nice. Check this out. So yeah, he says he says you can actually jump in there. I'm not gonna do that. And yeah, malalim daw yan. That's 12 feet. And from there it's about okay lang daw, katamtama lang yung ano eh, like it's okay deep. It's not really deep. The place is nice. It is worth the travel. So that's their wild monkeys. One of them. Marami sila dito eh. And they're really wild, like they're not even in captivity. Kuya! Kuya, asa na ka kuya?
Kuya, liki diri.
Okay, so I'm vest up. So you na naman mag-life vest or life jacket. Kasi pupunta kami dun. We're gonna try to explore everything. And para just in case mahulog, mintaw. Yun!
Natana din ako malunod. GoPro, guys.
GoPro, help us! Oh my God! Ano yun? Dali! Yes! We're not dead! Oh my God! Here! So after that, there! Let's go! So look at that, guys! That's the entire place. Not the entire place, but the place
Not
itself.
like diamonds.
Woo.
Nani diamonds?
I don't know.
Like gold.
We're gonna try to go there. There.
Okay.
Ow. Woo. It's been a while since I've been walking like this.
Oh, spider!
What the fuck? Ano ta? Loco.
I know, I'm strong.
Hindi kasi nag-abot dito kaya there's no way. Huwag mo siya yung wabian. Yes. We're here. I've never seen boulders like this. was wondering, like, what creature is touching me, the ankles. Check this out. It's just me late. Natakot kagad ako. Another corridor.
Oh my god, this is a secret place, guys.
A secret passage.
Yeah. So cool, guys.
Survey ko muna. Left and right. No, nice dito yung mga. Dali.
Huh?
Dali, dali.
What's a man?
Dito ko mga cool.
Oh my god. That's so cool.
Oh my god. Look at guys. It's worth the darkness. Ooh. Wait. Oh my god. Hot spring, eh?
Maybe.
Yes, it is.
What?
In it.
Whoa, yo.
The pool.
Guys.
Check this out. Let's go. This place, tama nga yung sinabi ni Kuya. Kuya told us na it's a bit hot, but you know, it's not really that hot. It's warm. Parang pawawala-wala ba?
Flat? Flat or bato?
Oh my god, guys!
Ito rin.
Guys, tignan nyo guys! Naka-life vest kami. Pero hindi naman malalim.
Mark, you sure?
Yan, malunod din. Yan, nasigig ka paglangoy. We're actually wearing life vest because doon nga sa rope, kapag mahulog ka, you can actually just float. So, parang hindi na din masakit kung mahulog. So, tapos na kami dito sa big hot pool. Punta muna kami dun sa sa mid where it is the hottest. Normally, I'm not really a fan of springs and something and yan kasi for me it's parang masyado lang malamig sa akin, but here it's really good. Like the water is nice, hot, warm, whichever you like. So we're gonna try to go to the other side because the monkeys.
Yeah, we killed a monkey.
Loud. Hoy, yun! Ayaw ka pangapot. Light vest kang pumot. Yun. Kasi na ulo.
Oh, si Daddy?
Look. I don't know if you can see, but there are some monkeys and birds. Oh my god. We actually did it.
Monkey?
Look po, mga monkey oh. No, wait. Hi monkey. Basin. Pwede ka na siya mo-join sa WWE? Hi there monkey. Let's swim. Kuya! I don't know if you can see it, but there's a baby monkey. Oh, monkey. Ha? Dili, naputol to. Na baka putol yun eh. Sabi ni Boyet. Monkey. Are they short-sighted? Because they can't. I think they can't see us.
Monkey. Oh,
Adra ay ka na, baby.
monkey.
I think they can't see us. Based on my observation, the monkeys are short-sighted. They're not saying hi. Hi. And they're not saying hi back. We're trying to go
Hey, guys.
back.
We are parkouring.
Parkour?
This is like Minecraft.
Ow.
Worse.
This is like Minecraft but real.
Yeah.
Oh my god. As much as possible. I don't want to step on anything I'm not familiar. There's some shit. Hmm?
Kung saan man? What? What? Si patay. Ah, so you saw some dead shit. Oh. Dali na ta, ano na ta?
Na.
Dali dito.
Let's gaming.
I don't know about you guys, but if you know how to swim, still wear a life jacket. Pagbitaw na ta.
Makalakaw ako.
I don't wanna step the stone.
Kaya na,
Tara.
no, ako na lulod.
Wala. Pag hindi ko may ilaw.
Oh my God.
Tara. Tara na guys, malapit na tayo. Ah, why is it so itchy? Ano? Compress. Compress. I know it's deep, but my legs are so curled up. I don't want to reach there. And that's scary.
Let's go down.
Let's go, Jan. Let's go, Jan. We're on the other side na nakabalik na po. Thank you for flying with us. Catmon Pacific. Oh my God.
How can I go back? But I can't see what I have to do there.
Ako rin balance dire. Yun. Ah. Kana. See? All right. See? Yes. Woo. Wow. Ito yung Esoy, no? Ayan. Esoy Hot Spring. Ang ganda, oh. Tignan nyo. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ito ay natural na ano, falls, waterfalls. Galing doon sa dulo. Papunta dito. Ayan, oh. Mayroon tayong guide. Okay. Sa entrance nyo, mayroon kayong guide. Free. 350 lang bawat pulo. Yan o. Adventure talaga. Ganda. Mami. Dito ka. Ano ba sa before ba? Gi-video lang ako. Di ka video? Ka-video na, ka-video. Ah, ka-video niya.
Di ba kayo magpapalala?
Pupunta kami sa malaking waterfalls. So, may guide kami. Dadalhin niya kami doon. Ganda, no? Talagang pawisan ka. Tapos yung hot spring dito talagang hot, hindi yung pahat-hat lang. Oh. Oh? Sus, buanga. See? This is the mountain. See? Tingnan mo sila, wala na silang powers. Yan oh. Yan ang malupit. Yan ang pinakamatapang sa lahat. Yan oh. Naka blue. Yan. Ganda. Ah. Yan. Ano sila oh?
Turun, Maria!
Yes.
Hi, butterflies!
Oh. Oh. Hey, butterflies. Right. Okay.
Ayaw mo ko na, nana tinod mo dito na.
Okay.
Dili, ato mo na dito, na maka-life jacket na eh. Dili, ato ka dito. Mutaw mo ka. Mutaw ka.
Tuwa na niya kay
Ako di ko kukuha mo lang mo eh.
sige. Tatawid kami ngayon sa sinasabi nilang
Wow, me, ito me.
tagi na falls.
Kupicture mo sa in-between. Nice kayo.
Okay. Yang waterfalls, sabi ng guide 150 feet ang lalim, kaya hindi kami sumama. Sila marurunong mo silang lumangoy eh. Tek! Tek!
So, papunta na po kami sa cave. Andun na pa sila, kinuha ko to. Woo! The current is so strong.